Howdy ho, hope everybody's doing well. Today I'm going to attempt to do this pendant with the dichroic glass. So first of all, nothing changes here. It's the same old, same old. Punch a hole in it. This is going to be like a two-part. This part's going to be making the ring and turning it into a pendant as such. And then tomorrow I will go over to bit further. And tomorrow we can do the glass. So let's see how this works out. Hope you're doing good, Alan. Sat there in front of your TV. Gary, Steve, Sarah, Bear. Hope you're all having a great day, guys and gals. All right, what we got? Oh la la. Oh, I've got a new assistant going to start here soon. He came in today for an interview. Right, here he is. He came to see me today. This is Otto, my pussy cat. He's a rescue cat. And I couldn't get him. As soon as I got the camera out, started getting the video set up, he buggered off. So I just took a quick one with my phone. So there you go, there's Otto. He's very timid. I think he was really badly treated, but there you go. He's checking out the one and only Spike. Right. Let's break out Christy Burr. You just want to make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. Otherwise you're going to split your ring when you start stretching it. Oh, that's the way I tell them. Right, I think that's pretty sexy. Yeah, that's good. So, I do have a dapping block, guys. It's the wrong one though. I should have got a 2-inch. I think this is a 2.5 inch. But anyway, it is what it is. Let's go over to Big Red. Yeah, I've got to get a 2-inch one of these. I mean, I've had it for months, but I just never used it. I've always sort of gotten on quite well without it, to be quite honest with you. Right, now what we're going to do. I'm going to 17-degree folding die. There's one there. I'll tell you what, let's show this a bit of love, shall we? With Bernie. If you're looking for coin jewellery, you can check out my shop. You'll think of my ring. There's I've got I don't just do coins. I do bracelets, earrings, key fobs, loads of different stuff. Over to Spike. There he is. I don't really need to use kitchen roll on this because the back part of this is going to have glass in it. So let's see what happens. This isn't my idea. I watched this man, unminted. I've actually bought stuff from him. He sells stuff as well. He makes these, but he doesn't put anything inside them. And they do that. I think they're beautiful. And I thought, well, why not? Because I make glass, why not insert a piece of dichroic glass in the back of it? And it might look quite sexy. I don't know. There you go. Let's clean up that edge a bit. Make sure it's good. There you go, that's not too bad. Right, now the fun starts. Well, we still want to turn it into a ring, don't we? So let's go over to Big Red again. There you go. That's a bit ringish. So now I need to start turning it. I've got to try and turn this inside out. If that makes any sense to you. It doesn't to me at the moment, but let's see what happens. I think I'm going to have to get some different tools as well. So you want to turn this bit on the inside. So let's give it a go. There you go. It's looking cone shaped, but the other way round. Right. So now we want to, here's the big one. I think this is 1.5 inches. I'm trying to get everything sort of levelish because you want it to press evenly. Otherwise you get a cockeyed sort of ring. I think that's pretty good. See that? So let's warm it up again. So far, so good. I'm quite surprised. Right. If this works first time, I'll go and have a cigarette. No, I won't. I had my dinner last night, and all of a sudden it come over me. I thought, oh, I could really do with a fag now. But no, I didn't. I think it's been 7 days now, I think. I don't know. But it's easy. I still fancy one the odd time. I fancy one now talking about it. But my breathing has got a lot better. And my feet, they're not cold anymore. Warm feet, like warm feet. Okie dokie, what we're going to do now then. So, yep, let's go over. It's a big red again. Whack that on there. 2-inch ball bearing. And the same again. You want to try and get it nice and level. That ain't looking too bad. Oh God. I think I need a longer bloody handle on this. The whole bloody table's lifting up. God, it's just made of. Oh, now it did it. Right, there you go. So now we want to squash this down a little bit. Oh damn, I got the wrong side. I wanted to do this side, but that's okay. It's my first one, so yeah, because I'm turning it inside out, aren't I? Okay. So now we'll punch a hole in it with my little gadget here. So what we got the United States of America. I'll have that at the bottom of the pendant, or bottom-ish. I mean, this is the first one, so don't give me too much grief. Or if you want to, you can. I think that's good. Right, let's give it a bit of the odd 1-2. Or is it gonna? Yeah, that's good. 1-2. That's for the. Okay. Babe, could you bring the glass in for me that's on the kitchen table? I'll let these guys pick what glass they want. There's quite a bit of it. You probably have to do 2 trips. Because this is going to be a 2-part video. This is going to be the end of today's one. You can pick out which glass you want me to use if you want. Thanks, mate. Oh la la. Thank you, darling. Right, folks, there you go. I really wanted this side on this side, but it is what it is. You got the United States of America. It's pretty roundish. It ain't perfect, but it's the first one. And this is the glass. This is the glass I make my other jewellery out of. You got tropical rays. Now you guys can pick whatever glass you want me to use. This is red silver. A lot of these change colour. That's really nice glass, that one. You got Twizzle. This is Fusion. It's quite a nice glass. This is Pink Teal. You're not really getting the effect really here, because a lot of these change colour, or they transmit. That's violet. Rainbow. Crinkleized pink teal. This like crackles, it's all like. Aqua. Accordion on rainbow too, slightly different. This is just silver. And this is green magenta. You're not really seeing the colour change. This is a quarter sheet of granite rainbow. But don't forget, I'm only going to cut it out a little bit, so you know you're not going to get the whole effect. And this is pixie sticks on thin black. So you're only going to have, you know. And this is rainbow 2 on thin black. This is what I've been making for like 20, 22, 25 years. Dichroic glass jewellery. But a piece of this is going to go into this, you know, or whatever you want. So you pick whatever you want me to use, and then tomorrow I'll give it a go. Well, yeah, it's no problem, because obviously the glass takes like over 12 hours in the kiln, but I can just do that, you know, 12 hours later sketch. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. So bye bye.